How to fix Honor Magic 7 can't receive text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then check your internet connection will be worked properly or not. Now open any browser and check your internet connection will be work properly or not. Here you can see my internet connection will work properly. After checking your internet connection, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps and then click on apps, scroll down and open messages and then click on storage. Now here you can clear your cache memory. After clear your cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and then scroll down in last and click on system and updates. After clicking on system and updates, you can see the option software update. Now click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and open reset. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.